Alright, good evening, Fairbanks, this 23rd, I believe, of January 2023 here at the Golden Heart Plaza with one very good snowstorm going on. Let me get the snow coming down. You're hearing the motor coach there. I just dropped my guests off here to the Spring Hill, but I just had to grab a quick video of this because it is absolutely beautiful. You got our Christmas decorations still up, the statue of the Unknown Family, the First Immaculate Catholic Church, the Yukon Quest building. Just historic downtown Fairbanks with such a good, beautiful snowstorm going on. And all these trees all frosted over. Just had to share the moment. I know with the coach idling, it doesn't fully do it justice, because the snow just makes everything so quiet. But you can definitely see the storm. Alright. Oh. You can even see the snow on my jacket. I know I'm in manual focus, so it didn't focus, but I'm already covered. And I barely came out. Alright. Talk to y'all later. Stay warm.